Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Early Years and Key Stage 1 Celebration Assembly. I hope you've had a fantastic week playing out in the snow. It's been lovely to see so many photographs of snowmen, snow angels, and igloos that many of you have taken time to build. I also hope that you enjoyed our time with Mrs. Lotta and the whole Garland community on Monday with our Monday's Moment of Mindfulness. Now, I have information here regarding our attendance TED. Now, attendance TED this week goes to the children. We have two classes, one in reception and one in Key Stage 1. And this award is for children who are at home learning online, on Zoom, and for those children in school. So the children in early years with the most attendance online learning and in school is RB. So well done, RB. I think we need to give a little wave. Well done, RB. That's fantastic. And then moving on to Key Stage 1, the class in Key Stage 1 that has the most number of children logging into our Zoom lessons from home and those who are in school as well, attending their learning is 2B. So well done, 2B. It's lovely to see so many of you zooming in from home. That's excellent. So well done. Another wave from attendance TED. Brilliant. Super. Now, I've also got important information for the Learners of the Week. So I hope those of you who've been awarded Learners of the Week for the past couple of weeks have now received your certificates in the post and they're up at home and everyone's proud of your learning, etc. So well done. Now, Learner of the Week for this week in Rainbow class goes to Esme for having a great first week in nursery. And in Alien class, there's Lola for excellent learning at home this week. Well done, Lola. In Dragon class, we have Ian for trying really hard in PE this week. In Pirate class, we have Sebi for always trying his best. And in Dinosaur class, we have Richie for excellent working maths this week. So well done to all those children in early years who are really trying hard and doing fantastically in their learning. Then we move on into Key Stage 1. In 1A, Maliki for excellent attendance in home learning lessons and always sending in his work to his teacher. Well done, Maliki. And in 1B, we have Isolina for working extremely hard with her home learning and for writing an amazing version of the Old Bear story. I'd love to read that, Isolina. It sounds lovely. And in 1C, we have Sophia for aspiring to do the best she can every day. That's lovely, Sophia. Well done. And in 1D, we have Harry for trying his best every day in class and staying positive. Well done, Harry. And then in 2A, we have Holly May for her continuous excellent effort within all aspects of her learning and her amazing attendance in our Zoom lessons. Well done, Holly May. In 2B, we have Byron for showing brilliant enthusiasm for his lessons both at home and in school. In 2C, we have Ryan for all his amazing home learning work and his 100% attendance for our Zoom lessons this term. And finally, in 2D, we have Brandon for joining back into the 2CD pod with a wonderful positive attitude and trying his hardest in all lessons. Well done, Brandon. Now, it's really lovely to hear so many children are really aspiring to be the best they can be and using all the Garland values. And I hope that we continue to do that through our next few weeks of learning. Now, as you are aware, next week is half term. So there won't be any celebration assembly on Friday, but I hope that you have a fantastic week at home. There won't be any Zoom lessons that you need to do. So do enjoy time off, chilling out with your family and having fun and staying safe. And we look forward to seeing you back on Zoom and in class on the 22nd of February. I hope you have a fantastic half term. Well done, everyone. and we'll see you very soon. Bye.